Have you seen this tall pillar with a flag in front of every temple? You bow to it, you walk past it. But do you know why it's there? This is called the Dvajastambha. Many temples have them. But in Vishnu temples, this pillar tells a special story. Because in Vishnu temples, it represents Garuda. It's always placed exactly in line with the sanctum, right on the main axis. And there is a reason for this. Garuda's mother was held captive. Serpents had imprisoned her. They told Garuda, "Bring us a nectar of immortality. Then we will free her." So Garuda did something incredible. He flew to heaven, fought the gods and stole the Amrita. And here is the amazing part. He never drank it. Not one drop. He brought it back and freed his mother. Vishnu was watching all of this. He saw Garuda's strength, his discipline, his love for his mother. And Vishnu offered him two boons. First boon, immortality. Garuda accepted it. Second boon, asked for anything. Garuda said something that no one expected. "Give me a place higher than you." The gods were shocked. Higher than Vishnu? Vishnu smiled. "Granted," he said. "You will be my banner. You will stand on my flag and you will rise before me in every temple." Garuda got exactly what he asked, but not in the way he expected. He became the Dvajastambha, the flagpole that stands taller than the temple, the banner that announces Vishnu's presence. The one who could fly anywhere chose to stand still. The king of birds became a pillar, not as punishment but as a highest service. This is why the Dvajastambha stands there. It's not decoration, it's not just a flagpole. It's Garuda standing guard, watching over Vishnu, announcing his presence to the world. When the flag is hoisted during festival, it's Garuda calling the god, "Come, the god is here." He asked to be above Vishnu and he is, but he is above in service, not in pride. If this story moved you, share this with someone who visits temples and comment Hari Om in the comments below. Follow the Temple Girl for more hidden stories from our temples.